This is Concave in 1 minute. Concave is VE based. Stakeholders lock in not only their capital, but also their trust. In contrast to legacy staking models where users can stake and unstake anytime they want, Concave users lock their tokens for a fixed period of time, determined and approved by the policy team and community. The VE model equates to trust, which is measured by the capital you put in and the time period you lock it for. Locked trust is tokenized and rewarded proportionally. Concave's magic number machine is able to grow a sustainable treasury and create non-dilutive bonds no matter the market conditions. This will benefit the end user because 90% of the revenue generated will be distributed to Concave stakeholders. In a market full of forked DeFi protocols, sometimes it pays to be a spoon. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Concave. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.